In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating engaging quizzes on Canva, a versatile platform known for its intuitive design features. From logging into your Canva account and selecting the appropriate template size to customizing design elements like text, graphics, and backgrounds, you'll learn how to tailor your quiz to match your theme and branding. Additionally, I'll show you how to incorporate dynamic elements such as animated backgrounds and timers to enhance user engagement. With Canva's intuitive text and shape tools, you'll easily create visually appealing question blocks and answer choices, while the bulk create feature streamlines the process of adding multiple questions. After fine-tuning your quiz's design and functionality, you'll have the opportunity to preview and share it with your audience across various platforms. Whether you're crafting quizzes for educational purposes, marketing campaigns, or entertainment, Canva provides all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life and captivate your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and tricks on using Canva.